was your experience working with Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam sir, the Homi Bhabha, the Vikram Sarabhai?
Science is not individual glory. It is a collective effort of beautiful minds. Concentrate your mind, define the problem, design the solution, and always look for deliverables. So questioning why, that is the lifeblood of science. I am a scientist if and only if I ask a testable question, which can be experimented upon. And if it is wrong, science gives you the freedom. I am wrong, I'll do it again. We are standing on the shoulders of greater scientists.
Why is this race happening in India to become engineer, doctor?
At the moment, our education decisions is a strong function of the income of the family.
Why is science not so accessible? And if it is accessible, why is it not reaching to the people at ground level?
Science, pure science, blue sky research, fundamental science. If we are trying to explain that to the people, that is only at a cultural level.